Hey there, how you doing? Just wanted to tell you something about my wonderful sister. I'll just show you the Facebook post. Hopefully I should be able to get that to pop up there. She's a bit of an amateur seamstress, and what she's been doing is, with all her offcuts of material, she's been making face masks for people. And she put this post on Facebook, proved quite popular, and she's had quite a few orders in. Naturally, she's made some for friends and family first, and mine arrived today. So I thought I'd open it and show you what she's actually been doing. So she's put a little note in that says that. Feel free to pause it if you want to read it. But I'll read it. It says, "To Cal, from our home to yours. These are not medical grade masks, but may afford you and others some reassurance and limited protection. Wash them after each use and before first use. Stay at home. Protect the NHS. Save lives. Made with love and care, Jeanette and Mark." Mark's my brother-in-law. How sweet is that? So she's been putting those little notes in with the masks, and as she says, they're not medical grade, but it's one of those things, if it stops you touching your face quite so much, then it's not a bad thing. Ah, got it in my eye, got it in my eye. The elastic goes around the back of the head, so at least it doesn't hook around your ears. They fit snug and tight, as you can see. And how stylish is that? How cool have I got to look in the street? Now how sweet is that? So it may not afford medical grade protection, but what it would do is if I'm out shopping and I'm touching stuff and handling things, it'll stop me sticking my hands in my mouth inadvertently. Because it's one of those things you don't realise how much you do it until you actually start watching yourself do it and watching your behaviour. Anyway, so that's all. Just wanted to tell you how wonderful my sister is, how brilliant she is. She's been providing these for people with needs and so on. She's got orders in for the staff at a nursery, and because these will be less scary for the kids. So yeah, give my sister a big round of applause. Save the NHS, save lives, stay at home. See you later, people.